Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix black background of folder icons in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the keyboard, press Windows key and R key together, and by that, you would be able to open the small window called Run. Where here you need to type for clean mgr and click on OK to proceed. Wait until a new window which is a disk cleanup would appear here in our screen, and it's now starting to calculate how much space would be at free in your C drive or your computer. Once it's done calculating, there you would be able to see disk cleanup for your C drive, where in my case, my disk cleanup will free up to 45.5 MB of the space in Ether. Now scroll down and make sure that this thumbnails is checked, because this is one of the factor, or this is the reason why you experience block background of folder I mean black background of folder here in your file explorer or in Windows. Okay, so make sure it is checked. Okay, and once you have ensured it is being checked, click on OK and go with delete files to confirm your action. Wait until the cleaning up of your drive would be done. It will only take less than a minute to do so. Once the process is being done, please check if your problem has been fixed. So open your File Explorer, navigate to the file which contains the black background in your file folder. I'm sure it will be removed this time. So that's it. Simply close this window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.